Hey makers and gift-loving friends. Feast your eyes on our amazing 3D Mother's Day card, a whirlwind of spinning flowers and a moving heart that'll make you look like a DIY rockstar. Let's bring it to life with some motion. Time to kick off the mechanics. Slide the big gear, that magic ring, right into its spot on the base. Go easy and snap it in like a pro. Awesome! Now pop the heart gear right on top. Feel that gentle click as it meshes, like a little mechanical heartbeat. Keep it rolling. Gently place the card's cover, line up the edges and press into place. But heads up, we're not quite done. There's one more step to perfect this masterpiece. Before we get to the flowers, grab your WD-40 and give a little spray in the holes where the gears peek through. Lubricate that mechanism for a buttery smooth spin. Now for the flowery part. Insert each flower into the 4 holes where the big gear's teeth peek through, with the gear facing inward. Ready to bloom when you spin. And now for the final lock-in, pop in the flower centers to secure them so they don't budge. Want extra hold? A dab of glue and you're golden. Those blooms won't go anywhere without your say-so. And there you have it, makers. Our 3D Mother's Day card in all its glory. Spinning flowers, a beating heart, and a finish that wows. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe me, and share with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. Until next time, keep the 3D creativity rolling.